Guys, may bago na naman tayong game. Ito ang Dead City. So, ito guys, si Sam nag-send sa atin ng contact request. So, accept natin. Hello. Okay, is anybody there? Yes. Oh my God! Sabi ni Sam. Someone is responding. Okay. Listen, I found a phone with number on it. It was saved as as a favorite. What are you talking about? The screen was stained with blood. It really hope person is. Who are you? My name is Sam. Okay. You can imagine how happy I am that you are responding. How the situation you're in. Safety. Sabihin natin, as always, sabi, shot chira. Wait, what do you mean as always? So, ano daw ibig sabihin natin as always? Does that mean the world is not ending at your place? No. Sabihin natin that sinabi ko, are you insane eh? Okay. I didn't expect that. First of all, you could tell me what happened. Didn't expect what. So, pipili ako dito ng isa. So, syempre, kung ito the whole world is affected, Jesus. So, ano nga ba yung tinatanong ni Sam sa atin? No? Without sounding like complete So, calm down. So, kumulama ka muna. Okay, di daw niya alam kung ano yung nangyayari. To be precise, I don't even know what happened. So, hindi daw niya alam talaga yung nangyayari. What do you mean by change? They attack people but only that are not like them. Oh, as normal people, I mean they're not like monsters. Highly aggressive but in the same time extremely dumb. So parang parang zombie na sila. Dead? That sounds terrifying. It is. Sabi niya kasi nung nauna, may nakita daw kasi siyang phone. Ayan o, phone with your number ko. But not. It's a little difficult to believe you. Yan, sabihin natin yan kasi parang hindi naman kapani-paniwala yung sinasabi niya eh. It's probably feel the same. Oh no. Listen, I'm not sabi niya. With me, Anna. She's not well. Hindi mo na lang sabihin ng isang para hindi ka ano to? When the contact is absent, you can close IoT. Okay. So, ayun yung oras. So, watch clip na lang tayo na para maano yung para na ads, skip image. Ayan guys, nag-ads muna tayo para ma-skip na yung pag-wait natin. Okay. Okay, so tapos na yung natin. Okay, I'm back. Sabi niya, I don't care. Joke lang. What about Anna? Siyempre, conscious tayo dun kay Anna. We ran directly into those things but could not escape into empty house in the last second. Anna got hurt though. Man, I think leaving the bunker. Okay, first things first. Bangka talaga eh. Oh, of course, I should think before I type. The military came and brought us away in such a bangka. Extensive emergency so tawagin na lang natin yung in short triple E kasi ayan extensive emergency evacuation, so triple E. Okay, so it must been a week ago. So parang iniwanan daw sila ng soldier ng ganon ng bunker para doon sila magstay for a while habang may nangyayaring ang kaguluhan sa labas ng mundo. Then maybe to at loss of sense of time, it doesn't matter anyway. So parang nawalan daw siya ng consciousness. What is important is that Anna and I escape. Wait lang guys, bago ang lahat, tingnan muna natin kung may save. So walang save. Okay, siguro naman no, pagkabukas natin ito, so ayun na. What is important is that Anna and I escape. Ano yung tatanong ko guys? Did you get hurt too, or why did you leave the bunker? So siguro tatanungin ko bakit nila iniwanan yung bunker. Kasi parang wala naman siyang sinabing reason kung bakit niya iniwan yung bunker. Basta ang sabi lang niya, tumakas sila ni Anna and pumunta sa somewhere else. And siguro tanungin ko to, doesn't matter right now. Uy, we're still alive, that's the main thing. Okay, describe, wag na yan, it should stay like that. Okay, yeah, so ano, that will be sound completely crazy, but Anna nakagat si Anna. Uy, nagulat naman ako dun. Before I reach you, she wasn't in such a bad condition. I think she was have a fever. So may lagnat daw si Anna kasi daw nakagat ng monsters. Iwanan mo na si Anna, baka mag-turn pa yan. I'm beginning to worry about her. Can you get help? Do you have any medicines? Ayan. So siguro wala isasagot nito, I don't have. No, 'di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo guys, napipredict ko yung mga time. Joke lang. Strictly speaking, nothing with me. Ano sasabihin ko? Search the house or try to speak to her. Ang hirap magdesisyon. Sige, pipili na lang ako dito. Search the house. Sige, search the house. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Give me a minute. Okay, ayan na naman yung good. Give me a minute. Okay, I'll be back. Ayan na naman. Ang tagal. Watch ad na lang tayo, watch a clip para maano natin yung oras. Magta-time na eh. Ano, walang ads. Yun lang. Ang tagal nito, chong. Ayan na. Wala yan guys, ignore nyo lang yan. Pagka lumabas yung ads, skip ad nyo lang para di kayo maboring. So continue tayo sa storya. Hey, are you there? Yes. You see, wag naman yung ganyan. Napakaano mo naman. Yes, sabihin natin yes. Napakaano mo naman kung ganun. Parang sobrang inaano mo naman siya. Phew. You know what, Don't worry. May nakuha ka ba? I only found a bottle of water in the kitchen. Bigay mo kay Anna. And when I wanted to give it Anna, she pushed it away. So, bakit? She has having fever dreams and her wound, it looks spreading somehow.